Hello, Julie here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be opening my design team pack from Paper Inspirations. So this is my goodies to use for September, and I just received it today and I thought I'd open it with you. I cut it open but I haven't actually taken anything out as yet. So I did start. I couldn't wait to get into it, but I thought, nah, I'll wait and we'll do it together. So it's very well packed. All of the goodies from Sue are always well packed. And of course we've got this lovely paper that she uses to wrap her parcels in too, and I actually used this on the cover of my last journal as the background paper, so it's very usable. Okay, so let's get rid of some of this rubbish and let's have a look what we've got here. And there it all is. But I'll just pop it over to the side and bring that one piece at a time. So what's in here, I wonder? Oh, it's a cute little stamp. Look at that. That's excellent. Lovely. So look how it's packaged. Look at that little bag. Don't know. Look, she's made that herself, or her mum, one or the other. Oh, and there's a little thing to say what the stamp is. Oh, that's gorgeous. Okay, so that's the stamp. What have we got here? Ooh, washi tape, I think. Yep, look at that. Let me... where it starts. Oh, that's that sticker there. Right. Okay. All right. So it's all little individual pieces. Well, that's great. I think it's all individual little pieces. Yeah, so they're all little individual stickers. For those paper clips, they'll be handy, won't they? Mushrooms, labels, bee, paper clip. So that's the repeat. So we go from there to there. So that's the range of stickers in the roll. Lovely. Very good. It's got words on it too, like details, wonder, seek. Come in handy. Okay, so that. What have we got here? Oh, cheesecloth. Oh, excellent. And this is great because it's a nice lightweight, easy to fray and easy to colour. to any colour that you want to use. That's quite a lot of cheesecloth in that pack. I don't know how much is actually there, but does it say in here? No, there is a lot. Yep, I would say that there's at least a metre there. Of course, I will never get it back how it was, will I? Yes, I will. What else have we got here? Note cards and envelopes. These great for journaling cards. Oh, look at those, so pretty. And they've got the envelopes with it as well. So we've got that pattern. 4 of that pattern. And these are cute, aren't they? They've got the little pot plants on them. And they're glimmery. They're gorgeous. Very nice, very nice. I can see myself using those, that's for sure. And what do we have here? Oh, some tags, some coffee dyed tags. Let's open them up. So cute, all tied up with a lovely little bit of ribbon. And I'm just going to slide that off. Because I'll never be able to tie the bow like that again, that's for sure. Oh, they're all back with tea-dyed paper, all ready to go. There's a slightly lighter pattern, same pattern but a bit lighter. It's lovely. Doily, corner of a doily. They're great. I think there was 10 in the pack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10 little coffee dyed tags with the tea dyed paper on the back. All set to go. So just a bit of decorating there and we're all set. Oh, now a nice stamp. Got some text, got a bee, nice flower, nice stems, a little label down here. Oh, the figure 1, 2, 3, bloom, this flower, a pansy. Oh, several pansies. Well, that's excellent. And it's a nice clear stamp. Who's it from? Creative Expressions. There we go. I don't know whether that's reflecting too much for you to actually be able to see it, but yeah, there's some really nice stamps on there. You can stamp those onto just you know, your pattern papers and then cut them out and have them as like labels and things like that, just ready to go. So that's that. Oh, we got some mixed flowers. These are excellent. They are great, especially in the white, because you can colour them with your inks and alcohol inks or whatever. You can colour them with anything. So that's nice. They're from Uniquely Creative. Oh, ruffles. Wow, ruffle tidbits. Get all of those in the pack. And I don't know whether you can see it or not, but that fabric has got like a self pattern on it. I'll just bring it on up close so you can see. Can you see that? See how it's got that sort of like self pattern through it? So neat. They're so neat. I'm going to have great fun with those. And once again, being white, I can colour them to any colour I like. Must be 10 or so in there, I reckon. So you can expect to see those on my projects in September. And our last one is, it's a 8 by 6 1/4 printed book. Oh, 2 books. Holy moly. This is 49 market. I haven't seen these before, so this is interesting. Oh, so we've got a little booklet that has already got backgrounds and things on it. Oh, wow. I guess what I'm going to be making. Well, that's gorgeous. And they're a good weight. They're a cardstock page. They're not flimsy at all. And because they're spiral bound, they'll open nice and flat, both writing and working on. Oh, I love it. And here we've got a bigger one. This one is, so this one is the 5 1/4 say by 5 inches. And this one is the 8 by 6 1/4. And this, there. No, open side. Oh yeah, open sideways because the text is sideways. And again, it's a nice sturdy cardstock pages. Oh look, nice selection of colours, pinks and greens, blues. That's gorgeous. That is excellent. Well, they're lovely. So that's it for my design team kit. I've got a little note here from Sue too, so I'll have a read of that in a minute. So there's all my goodies. I can't wait to get started. So these will fit in that, no problem at all. Probably a bit big for that. These tags will fit in there and there. Yep, lots of goodies there. Lovely. Can't wait to get into it. So thank you, Sue. Love all my bits and pieces. And washi tape. I have to get into the habit of using more washi tape. I love the idea of it, but I just never remember to use it. So if I leave it on my desk, I might do just that. Alright, well, thank you for joining me. I can't wait to get started using all of these goodies that Sue sent me. I'm a very lucky girl, I think. And yeah, I hope you can join me when I start using all these things. Okay, bye.